Good morning everyone, my name is Alan Vidaura and I'm here representing AVV8 Client Solutions. We are a company with years of experience dealing with different management issues, but our expertise lie on effective scheduling, customer flow, system implementation, and operation transitions. Between our biggest partner companies, we work hand in hand with different Marriott and Holiday Inn properties and food chains such as Panda Express. We also offer virtual solutions, and we especially take pride on the virtual waiter that was implemented last year at many Chili's locations. I can stand here and mention you all about our accomplishments, all about the awards our firm has obtained year by year in this very competitive market. But let me assure you that in the hospitality and food and beverage industry, we are the ones that you want on your side. And why, will you ask? Let me explain you why. What if I could tell you that I could convert your restaurant in this synchronized machine capable of reaching its maximal profitability without compromising product quality or customer satisfaction? For this to be possible, the implementation of new technology has to be applied in the short term. My research team has realized that if it's true, your restaurant runs well on a low customer flow, fails to deliver timely service when large group of patrons walk in, especially during rush hours. And this could not be more drastic. Rush hours is the time that you have to perform, and perform well, because that's the time where most of your profit will be made. Let's not beat ourselves of what's not going well. And let's also mention that there's certain steps that are working well on your restaurant, such as you have a wonderful crew that works in an excellent teamwork, and that cleanliness and food prep procedures are followed to a minimal detail, which will be essential in order to implement the new order and food prep system. The first thing we have to do is we have to go mobile. Our software engineer group have already started developing a new app that will not only allow the customer on the run to get their order set and pay for that order, but it will allow us, the restaurant, to gain all those minutes that the customer is not waiting in line, that it's not getting to the restaurant and waiting in line in order for us to get their order and start prepping their food. That will be wonderful for people that work around your restaurant, that they have certain amount of time in order to get their lunch ready and done. The second, it's implementation of TOT system. That means tables, that means tablets on the tables, that will allow a group of patrons to order from the tables in order to avoid your biggest problems, the huge lines that are sending your customers right under your competitors' arms. With these systems installed, you will reduce the size of your lines and you will have more customers flowing in. As well, you will have your crew less pressure to perform under a short amount of time in the front, and you will have an efficient group in the back working for this to be possible. Someone that is effective and efficient should run the show in the back office. Management should make sure that everything is set for these standards to be met. We have all these plans that are ready to go if you approve this project. But to summarize this presentation, I would like not only to emphasize on what's not going right, I would like to summarize emphasizing the importance of acting timely, acting now. As an emerging franchise, you cannot afford to let your customers go to another restaurant, or you cannot afford to let your customer think of you as the restaurant that they will spend the whole lunch hour waiting in line, not having the time even to have a decent time to eat. And that's why it's so important that the app and the TOT systems are implemented in your restaurants. The virtual waiter tables with reduced lines will increase your profitability, will increase the volume of customers you can serve. And lastly, your walk-in customers will keep enjoying your delicious food in a timely manner. So thank you very much for your time. Have a good day.